Hello.
Ikaw na rin na nag-e-edit niya? O meron
Opo.
kang edit?
Ako po.
Oh, talaga? Sa computer mo lang ini-edit? O
Dito lang sa cell. So guys,
Hindi niya kinukuha
ito
yung
yung
ano.
pagkain namin guys ngayon before we leave for Kulalit. Yan. Pinoy na Pinoy. That's Tita Alice, Tita Mercy. Yan yung mga batikan ng Canada. Yan.
Voice ito, Canada.
Yan guys.
We are the voice ito.
Yan.
Hi guys! So I'm eating chicken and longanisa.
In what? What is that?
Chicken and longanisa.
Oh.
And look at the TV.
Here you go, guys.
So papunta kami ng Kulalit. Yan guys. So Tito from Canada. Yan. Tita. Yan guys. So yan. Mga Canadian.
Look at Daddy's phone.
Oh, you know how to do that.
Eh, mainit pa na, mainit.
Use the right lane to take a slight right turn onto State.
Oh, hello. Busy doon, no?
I'm going to subscribe soon then I'll be watching your daddy.
Ano talaga ang YouTube? Anis ka. Sa makina? Wala akong masabi sa makina.
Ito yung diretso lang namin yan tita. Diretso lang yan. Mga dalawang kanto pa yun na yung base. Kaya sa ang lapit lang.
In 6.2 miles, at the roundabout, take the second exit onto State 120.
Okay, as easy. I remember. I have a note
Ganda ng bag mo tita.
for your password.
Ganda ng bag.
Binibenta ng ano.
May bayar na ako kasi I'm tired.
0,
Ah,
I want
talaga?
the smaller one with the
Zero,
sling.
seven.
Matagal na ba? Mukhang bago pa.
Eh, hindi ko nga ginagamit.
Ah.
Nasusunod mo. Eh, may nakakita sa church. Sabi ko, sige, sabi ko.
Zero,
Baka hindi ko kaya. Kaya mo yan. Na single lang naman siya.
Aha.
Sabi ko, kahit forgive sa spine. Pero kung i-cash mo, bawasan ako, sabi ko sa kanya.
You're looking for
I'm gonna buy like a small one.
Buti hindi hinihingi ng mga anak mo na lang na, no mami, just
Ay,
give
they
it to
don't.
me.
They're not interested with my purses.
And we have
Ah,
to,
talaga?
Do you know what Jessie said?
Ah.
we have to save that
Samantha
for
can have all your
emergency
purses. I'll have all your alahas.
Ah, siya ang
Ah.
maalahas.
Yes, siya ang malahas.
Si Jessica.
Si Jessica.
Ah.
Siya ang mahilig sa gold. Tapos yung isa, may mga ibang style naman na sila. Kasi they don't want it.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, and then the thing is that I don't use it. So
Oh.
why do you keep it, right?
Ah.
Get something that is useful.
Tama.
Yeah. I think
Candy Crush.
sabi ko, pinag-ipunan ko ito ng dalawa ko. I saved it for
Yeah.
2 years.
Ah, talaga,
Tagwa
Lisa?
100 na ginagawa.
Galing mo naman tita sa pera.
No, if I want it kasi ng isang bagay,
you wanna use it?
it costs. Kasi for the sake lang din na you deserve it,
Oh.
right? Yeah, you deserve it.
Really? You just have
Ano na kami guys, sa Minto kasi dito magto-toilet. Yan.
Yung yung Eddie Bauer, maganda rin
That's
yan
what
na
God
clothing.
gave me.
I like it.
Oo. Siya daw.
Daddy, may naiwan ka?
Uy, yung
vape.
vape ko.
I can be the last.
Hey, look at Daddy.
So, are you happy now?
Do you guys want to bring water or you're okay?
We're okay. Daddy, look at Daddy. Come, ate. Right here.
Where are you?
Anak, anak. That's in Washington.
Washington. Tantrums guys, sinan mo. Nakausap ng lola.
Big one. So you give your daddy.
Shopping ang mga Canadian.
You know what? I think we're gonna get like probably separated. So where is our like meeting area?
Dito.
Just in case.
Dito tayo magkita-kita.
And
pag-
Food court.
Oh, no, in here, in the middle.
Sige, sige.
Or by, yeah, somewhere around here. Lulu, skip there. Lulu, Lulu. Oh yeah, there's like a sitting area here. And then let's say, maybe an hour.
Asan siya?
I think
Guys.
Yeah. Oo, dito tayo magpili.
Yan.
We will just call you, tita. Matawagan ka. Eh, si Tita Alice, I don't know her number.
it's okay. Marunong yun.
So, after...
An hour or two? An hour.
Two?
Sige lang, mga two siguro.
Ano, yung mga bata, dadalhin nila?
How about this one? It's a donut.
But they don't connect.
Oh, you want it connected?
Mahirap na hirap silang pumili.
Look, these connect. Like these are like.
How about this one?
Ate, come on. So you guys, I used to carry all this stuff. Really? Okay, come on, let's keep on going. So we are going to Lacan. And Yaka. And we just came home from Las Vegas from my birthday. And I haven't carried it. Guys, my dad let me dye my hair pink. Okay, guys. And we just, I just went to Claire's. And yesterday, my dad was with us because we went to Seafood City, Daiso, and the food, and some a food court, and Jowdy. And we're going to.
And then it will, tomorrow na lang.
Okay, you stand up here.
Why did you buy
You know what, that is picking up from.
What is that,
Gusto
Chubby?
niya nang gamitin.
When we get home, Chubby?
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, shopping. Mga mayayaman ng Canada.
Sa Coles?
Wala akong sinabi.
Coles.
That's my favorite. Oh, ito nga, tinan mo nga. Parang hindi ano mo na. This is cute. I have a bucket one. Oh.
Guys, mga donya ng Canada, oh.
Can you roll this off,
Shopping na
Daddy
shopping.
Doo?
Warang,
Can you roll this off, Daddy Doo?
Why?
It's not so big. It hurts.
Chubby's favorite tita. Tita Alice.
Anak ko, kung ganyan na yung sapatos mo. Ginagasgas na yan.
Tingnan nyo, may nag-shopping na naman. Yan. Pautang nga, Rodrigo. Baka naman.
Walang pera.
big spender.
Oo.
$10 na. $10 na lang yung pinayad ko eh.
Big spender.
Lagay mo na lang sa likod yan, daddy.
Dito lang, dito?
Oo.
Guys, ayan yung mga donya ng Canada, oh. Saka yung mga doon ng Canada, ayan.
No. Feeling lang. Feeling.
Ayun. 6 minutes drive.
Saan kayo pupunta? Mami, saan kayo?
Wonderful buffet.
Ito mo, magbubuffet pa sila. Walang magawa sa pera yung mga yan, eh. Ayan.
Ay,
Sige na, come here.
Saan tayo?
Wonderful buffet.
Ito yung mga kasama namin guys, mga mayaman ng ng Vancouver at saka ng Calgary.
Feeling lang. Sino sponsor? Feeling lang. Sponsor, yung may LV.
Ayan na, naka-LV yan, oh.
yung mga mantle party.
Ready to
Who's the sponsor?
play.
Magbayad muna.
Hello!
Hi.
Wow! Sarap kumain dito.
May LV ka ba?
It's okay, $16 lang naman pala dito.
$16 lang?
Ay,
Landi lang.
20.
19. Nakita na namin dyan. So, bilang na yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 adults and 2 kids. 1 senior.
Nako.
Ay, pwede na magbabayad. Later na magbabayad.
Oh, guys, yan.
Saan? Oh, saan niyo tayo pupunta? Ay, thank you. Tapos may yes, kasi kaya mas mahal ang at night time kasi may seafood. Tsaka may seafood.
Dali. Masits buffet. Oh my
Snail.
God. Snail?
I'm just gonna try it.
Yeah. So these are the foods.
Naku, that's my favorite. You want some more?
There's also Japanese.
Oh, you want that one? Okay.
Is it spicy?
No, it's not. Okay. Try it. And then you can always come back.
These are another set of foods. And there's salad over here. Yan po. Yan guys, salad. There's a dessert over here. Abundance. Eat well.
Yan,
Yan. Nice. Ayun na.
Yeah. You talk Isabel.
So, hey guys, we're at the wonderful buffet and I just finished my food and I went to go get my food so many times and now we're eating ice cream.
Ano? Hindi na makapagsalita dahil busog na eh.
So guys, my pizza is shy.
Hindi pa ko tapos. Kailangan kong kinain kaya. Yung pagkain ko.
I have my favorite. Ito.
May laman.
Huwag mo nang kainin sa higit. Kumuha ka ng banibago.
Daddy, a message.
Wala tita.
Daddy, a message just came. Your phone. Look at your phone.
Wah.
Hindi, tsaka kasayang kasayang. To me, I was not gonna eat like, but I'm good. Think about the people that waste food is enough. Ang sorry na, wala ako.
Wala kang tira kasi binigyan mo sa akin yung pagkain.
Wala ako. Oh, I have marshmallows.
Yay, marshmallow.
I'm roasted.
Alam ko sinong joke.
Matanda. Wonderful buffet. This is wonderful buffet. Yan. Guys, oh. Good food.
Ha? Istan mo?
Oo. Good food guys dito. Yan.
So your fortune says being difficult makes you beautiful. Makes
Ito, okay ka lang sa loob.
okay. Go first. Yeah.
Guys, pauwi na kami. Tapos na lumamon.
You're filming me?
Yeah.
Why? I'm so shy. I'm camera shy. No.
Why are you reacting?
Lima is
You're reacting.
I'm reacting because I'm so shy. I'm camera shy. Okay, you're Lolo. Go film Lolo.
Nagpintasan, nagidara ni guys.
So guys, it's their last day.
Good morning. I can believe it.
Morning.
It's over.
Yeah, they're having
Tapos
breakfast.
na ang mga makaligayahang araw.
Guys, pabalik na sila ng Canada.
Next time ulit, next time next year.
Magko-convoy kami papunta doon.
Tapos na ang aming mga maliligayang araw.
Yan. Yan, pipicture na sila. Sorry! Dito sila pulo, di ba?
Mommy, act like you act like earlier.
What? Daddy ko nga. Kumaano?
Meron din yan?
Mommy, act like you act to Chubby.
You're mean, Isabel.
I am not.
In about 2 miles, keep left onto Highway 99 North.
Nandito kami sa Queen Elizabeth. Queen Elizabeth Park.
Parang Chris ito. Yun, doon ang Norgan. Yan, no?
Oh,
Yun. Andyan yung downtown. No?
oh nice. Doon.
Baba mo.
Bakit?
Sino? Nahirap ka na. Sabi ko, mahirap
Ah.
kapag matatalino ang mga bata.
Isabel, you wanna wear this one? Your jacket?
It's a little bit chilly. Hindi, sabi ko dito, nasa na si Mr. Tantrum, sabi ko. Umuwi na, sabi ko. Ibaba mo na siya dito sa Canada, sabi ko. Tapos no, he's on vacation daw. Si Mr. Tantrum.
Sino yun?
Tantrum. Siya yan. Mr. Tantrum.
Ah,
ito, kasi ito.
Parang ano? Diba ganyan sa Omantan?
oo.
May ano yan, yung butterfly. Butterfly ba kasi?
Ang tawag dyan ay ano?
Conservatory.
Oo.
Yung mga tropical.
Oh, yeah.
Ang dami niyan sa Pilipinas.
What's her name?
Yeah. She's just smelling. Is it he? Yeah, he. Okay.
Oh,
Wow.
he feels so dear.
There you go.
Thank you.
You can sit down there. Ayun na. Punta ko kayong apat. Ayun yung kung sawata ka. Ibon sa Stanley.
Gusto yung pumunta sa baba?
Guys,
Gusto yung pumunta sa baba?
that's the Stanley Park. Ah,
Kasi ano yun eh.
Tita, what is this? What park is this?
Queen Elizabeth.
Queen Elizabeth Park.
Halika na.
do you want to take off your jacket?
Yung ano, maganda rin sa ano, Aris.
We're gonna go down.
Yeah, we're gonna go down.
Dapat yung base guy. Base guy.
Tandaan mo yung pumunta tayo sa may ano, yung may naggandula tayo. Ganito rin di ba may mga
Kapilano. Hindi.
Kapilano.
Hindi.
Ito lang.
Oo.
Kaya, yeah.
Sa Kapilano?
That's where they went. Yeah.
Doon kami. Nung kami natagalan sa Kapilano.
Yeah.
Kasi you need to wait for the bus.
Kaya doon lang naubos ang oras
yes.
ninyo.
Opo.
Kaya hindi na kayo napunta. Vancouver, punta kayo sa Whistler.
Oh.
Ayan, di ba may bus doon sa may Canada Place papuntang Whistler? Hindi kayo nag-Whistler?
Diyan punta.
Pero sa bayo wala na makikita.
Tapon basura.
Sa baba, nakita na natin lahat mga plants na lang. Ano ba, baba tayo? Oo, pag-asya tapos sa pangaron.
Guys, yan. So nice.
My dad is a blogger.
Yeah, of course.
Octopus that has 4 legs. Yeah, that was like octopus. Ito naman. Oh, ito dalawang fish. Here you go.
Yeah, that's so
Madali, take
nice.
picture with the fish. Go, Chubby.
You don't know?
It's a mix, I guess.
Yeah? Is he an adult now? Or is still, oh, she.
Yeah, it's like 2 years old.
Oh,
Still a baby.
that's a full size?
Yeah.
Guys, we are here in Granville Island.
Dito ka no yung kang kanta.
Oh, okay.
Ano natin yung kang kanta?
Happy. Hamuin baga.
Granville Island. Yeah. That's a Granville Island. Ayan na guys, yung mga taga Canada.
Ito, oh.
Yeah.
Why did we go here for lunch and we
Huh?
go anything?
Hindi, ano yung labi ko pag yung marami nagsasalita Ilocano, parang nag-adjust.
Nagsasalita din,
Nag-adjust. Tapos pag marami magtatagalog, nag-adjust din yung dila ko.
Oh.
Tapos marami nag-English, nag-adjust
English
din yung
din.
dila. Oo. Ay, doon sa Pupina nga. Sige,
Try lang tas standing, tita. May gelato doon. Doon na lang.
Oh, na lang.
Ba doon?
meron ba?
Kaya, oh.
Sige.
Okay, they say, yeah. Pero mas masarap.
Maganda sana kung ano makapot na ng condition.
Nang,
Mga paano, mga pagi doon.
Oo.
Sa Xelvin.
oh, oh, nga.
O kaya kung gusto
Nahanap
nyo,
ko kung ano, nakita kong babae kanina, binabasa yung mapa eh.
Ay, baka city.
Eh, shut up.
marutubog na tomorrow.
We are here in Stanley Park.
Born from
Where are you at?
Stanley Park. Can I get my jacket?
That's the Stanley Park. Ma'am, si Hilbig. So guys, so we're looking. Ha? Oo. That's the Lions Gate. Uy, parang sa San Francisco na Golden Gate. Sa baba. Ganda nga na yung panampasyalan to.
Diyan sa Northland, yung kukuha kayo ng Sibas naman,
Oo.
tapos cross na.
Yung sa Victoria naman, Bow Shark Garden naman ang maganda doon.
Sa Victoria.
Pwede tayong mag-meet. Yung, okay, mag-drive kayo, we will meet like this. Pwede
Sa
na
Victoria.
kayong mag-ferry na eh. Oo,
Oo.
pwede na kayong mag-ferry.
Uy, grabe oh.
Oh, sana
Kita pala dito.
Dito sila na kumupo kanina. Oh,
Sige, video mo.
Yan. Celebrity X Cruises.
Yung sa taas, may mga swimming pool dyan.
Oo.
Puno, yan lahat yung mga... Ay, sarap mag-kwan. Ganyan.